Okay guys, we are on board the Carnival Elation and we have room number G29. It is a suite, it's a junior suite, balcony room, and G29, okay? And this is our door, okay? You have some shelving there with the room safe, and you've got more shelves there and some laundry bags. The staff has been very sweet and kind. They have already greeted us. And here you have some hang up areas, and of course your muster station is here, and we are on the stage is what it says. Anyways, and the closet here, you open up the side, you have your life vest hanging. Okay. Oh, we have 2 robes. Cool. More hanging stuff. So Gerald will take a closet and I will take one. Okay. And then over here, you have your breakfast that they will serve you in the morning. You just put this out on your you know, outside your door. And of course, if you want privacy, you just hang this up. This is your air conditioning dial. This is our bathroom. You have some hanging areas. This stateroom is very nice, guys.
Very clean.
And very clean. Actually is very clean. So it's very nice. It has a cloth curtain for the shower. And the shower is good size, guys. It has a clothesline, you know, that you can pull out. Okay, retractable. It looks like as far as soaps, they have it convenient now for you up on the wall. It is the Elemis, which are very, very nice products. So it's a bath and a shower gel, and then they have a conditioner, a conditioning shampoo. So it is a 2-in-1 shampoo and then a bath and shower gel. So it's really, really nice. Sorry if I'm a little out of breath. We just walked up about 7 flights of stairs. So we got to work out. Anyways, the elevators are always busy during opening day, guys. So you just have to be patient. But anyways, so we have some towels here and it's fully stocked. Toilet, and then this is your sink area. And of course it has trash can. Looks like all your necessity items are in there. Toilet paper. And then you have some soap. Don't forget your fins. Isn't that cute? You have a mirror. Now when you come down, you definitely want to watch your step. This is a pretty high up little step, okay? I turned that off. If I look in the room from this way, we have this view. Sofa, and I'm not really sure how this room is designed. If this is a sleeper, I believe it probably is. There is no upper berth in this room, and this is G29. So they have some reading material. Okay, and then you've got the Vanity. This has a fridge, actually a really nice little fridge. Telephone, there are 2 USB ports, okay, some shelving. You have your ice bucket, some waters that we had purchased, more reading material. This is something that they gave us that we will read in a little bit. Okay. And then you've got some drawers here, okay, and a blow dryer. These are all empty drawers. Okay, and there's your flat screen TV, which I love the way the flat screen TV is up against the wall. It's very, very nice. And then you have the 2 tables on the outsides of the bed. Now our bed will be turned into 2 twins because we do not sleep together. But if you look there, you can see where it will come apart. So our stateroom host or hostess, whoever they are, will have this prepared for us at night. I will show you turn down. But I love the little leaves. It's really nice. This is a luggage mat. And yeah, so this is a view, okay, from this end. Very, very nice. Really nice. And this is our balcony, and like Gerald said, it is a high step, so you do want to be careful. But look at the size of the balcony. It is a good size. Okay, and these chairs do recline back, so they look pretty. Yes, and we are on the deck that has the miniature golf.